All of us must have studied science in our childhood. Even if you were not that studious, but all of you must have remembered the formula of water. Yes, that is H2O. That means when two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen get mixed together, then it forms water. But some recent researchers have found that the best way to get a healthy body and healthy physique, one must ingest hydrogen water. And Sarvashri Herbs is always striving to bring you good health and best quality products. And that is why we introduced Aqua Potence, water ionizer, which makes your drinking water hydrogen rich, makes it antioxidant and alkaline that gives you better health and great energy levels. Water is life, and clear water by Aqua Potence is the treasure of better health. So let us know what benefits you will get when you use Aqua Potence water ionizer. Aqua Potence works to form hydrogen water, and hydrogen water is being considered the next big thing in the wellness sector. We all know the importance of water in the human body, but this importance has increased when people get to know about hydrogen water. Try to understand by its name. When hydrogen gas is injected in water separately using scientific method, that is how hydrogen water gets prepared. Hydrogen water has the ability to convert our body into an antioxidant factory. Let us try to understand it in the language of science. Just as reactions happen between gases and gases, so does happen between liquid and gas. Here liquid is water and gas is the hydrogen. When hydrogen is injected into normal water to make it hydrogen water, then the antioxidants in the water get increased. Antioxidants are being made in good amounts, then they also works towards the bad effect that the polluted environment has on our body. The Aqua Potence water ionizer boosts your metabolism and increases your energy levels. Sarvashri Aqua Potence water ionizer is a home appliance that gives you acidic and alkaline waters at different pH levels. And the ionized hydrogen-rich alkaline water obtained from it contains thousands of tiny bubbles, which you get by Sarvashri Aqua Potence. These molecular hydrogen bubbles fills your water with antioxidant properties that boosts your immunity. It contains anti-inflammatory properties, anti-allergic properties, provides you anti-apoptotic protection. It is full of anti-aging properties, has colon cleansing properties, helps you in weight loss, also reduces the risk of cancer and has many similar detoxifying properties in it. In more than 1,000 scientific research, this has been proved that hydrogen has many therapeutic uses and is very beneficial for every organ of human being. The Sarvashri Aqua Potence device provides you water in 3 different categories with 8 different pH levels that you can use differently. First is the alkaline water that you can use with 4 different pH levels. At level 1, the device gives you hydrogen-rich antioxidant alkaline water, which has pH level of 8 and 8.5. And at level 2, the pH level of alkaline water becomes in between 8.5 and 9.5. You can use the water of both these levels for drinking purposes, as it contains higher hydrogen content. At the 3rd level, it gives a pH level that you can use to make tea and coffee. And at the 4th level, the pH level of alkaline water becomes in between 9.5 and 10, which can be used for cooking and food preparations. Next category is of acidic water. And here the pH of water at its first level is in between 7 and 6, You can use it to cleanse your skin as it is slightly acidic and has an astringent effect. You can use it for your face wash, hair care, and for your pet care. In acidic water level 2, the pH level of the water becomes in between 6 and 5. Water at this level has strong acidic properties that you can use for dishwash because it works to prevent cross-contamination. And at third level, you get water of 4 and 3 pH value. This acidic water can be used for general floor cleaning because it is perfect to be used for hygiene purposes. And the third category is of purified water, which gives 7 pH value of water at the first level, which you can use for your medications. So, as you see, this is a device that has the ability to solve your many problems. So give it a thumbs up and say yes to Sarvashri Aqua Potence Water Ionizer to get a better healthy lifestyle. Because water is life and clear water means health.